Let's redefine your design experience with Canva's new AI features. First up, grab text. So we're going to take this image right here that's got some text on it and change it a little bit so that the text is bigger. We could even rewrite these words if we want, and it's just a super helpful feature. We've got the image with words. We want to change travel tips to make it a little bit bigger. So we're going to click Edit Photo, and then right at the top under Magic Studio is Grab Text. Now, while it's working, I do want to share with you that this grab text is a Canva Pro feature. So you might want to keep that in mind if you are considering upgrading from a free plan to a pro plan. You can simply take this travel tips, make it a little bit bigger if you want. You can even change the words to something else. Let's go. You can take and change your spacing so that it's a little closer together. There are a couple of issues, and I'm going to show you what those are. It may grab text that you don't want. Like, for example, it grabbed part of the word of passport. I'm going to show you how you can fix that. You're going to click the picture. You're going to click Edit Photo again, and then you're going to click Grab Text. It's going to revert the image back to the way it was before you grabbed the text. It's going to keep the text that you've grabbed. How can you get rid of the extra words? Good question. What you're going to do is click on anything there. You're going to go to Position. You're going to go to Layers, and you're going to notice all of these layers of extra text. Other than travel tips, I'm going to get rid of everything else. So I clicked this one. Now I'm going to go down to the bottom, click Shift, and it highlights all of the extra text that we don't need. I'm going to click Delete on the keyboard, and there we go. The problem is that travel tips is still here. You just click the photo, click on Edit Photo, and click on Magic Eraser. Magic Eraser is another Canva Pro feature. The thing with Magic Eraser is that as soon as you let go of your mouse, it will start working. So make sure you get everything you want in one go so that you're not sitting here and having to do this over and over again. Travel's gone. Now we're going to get rid of the word tip. In fact, you can increase the brush size. So that's what I'm going to do just to make sure that I get of tips all the way. As you see, travel tips is now gone, and how you will get out of this is by clicking the back arrow on Magic Eraser. It will keep the fact that you've erased travel tips, and now your new text box there with travel tips that you've made larger is right there. And as always, Canva's always making updates to things. So things that I'm sharing today on the day that I'm recording it may be different in the future. If you don't want to miss a single lesson on Canva, some of the newest features, and how you can use it for your YouTube channel, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell, because I produce videos like this every single week, and sometimes I even go live to answer your questions on the spot. If you've ever had a picture like this one to where you did not want to miss any of the images either on your thumbnail or on a YouTube community post or anything like that, and you went to size it in and you lost the bottom of her feet, or if you moved it up, you lost some of the lamp, then this feature called Magic Expand is going to be the feature for you. All you need to do is click the image, click Edit Photo, and then click Magic Expand. At this point, you are going to notice that you can select a size. For this example, I'm going to choose whole page, but you could make it a 1x1, 16x9, a 9x16, 5x4, 4x5, 4x3, and you get the picture. But we're going to go the whole page so that it will extend it from where it is to the end of the page without cropping the image. You're going to have 4 options to choose from, and then you can click on each one to see what you think. So it expanded here. This one looks okay. Let's see about that one. It gave a little table over here waiting for the last one. Let's see. We're just going to go with this first one right here and then click done, but you can always generate new results and it automatically expands the page from left to right. Take a look at the image you want to extend and see if it works for you, because not all of them are going to work well. Let's look at Magic Edit. Magic Edit is actually a feature that's been in there since probably March. So we're going to click Magic Edit and you can brush over. You can actually select the whole image if you want, or just part of an image. So we're going to increase the brush size. And what if I take this, try to make this like fluffy. So I'm just going to go over this. I'm not going to be very precise just because I want to see what it will do. Continue, and then I'm going to go with a golden fluffy pom purse. Unlike the other features that I've shared with you, Magic Edit is actually one of the free ones. This one gave some blue pom-pom looks. This one, it didn't do exactly what I wanted, but I tell you what, that's not bad. So we're going to go ahead and click done. So sometimes Magic Edit won't do exactly what you've got in mind, but sometimes it gives you results that you weren't expecting. What if you wanted to change the color? Should you use Magic Edit for that? Well, it really depends, but let me go ahead and reset Magic Edit. And I'm going to show you another new feature that's not within the Magic library. It's one of the free options that is under Edit Photo, but it's under the Adjust tool. You can actually scroll down and there's a color edit. So you could choose one of the colors and make some adjustments there. So that is something to keep in mind too. If you are loving all of these new features that I'm sharing with you, do me a favor and hit that like button because it lets me know that you want more videos like this one. Now we're at the feature that I am most excited about. It's called Magic Grab. Some people were asking what's the difference between background remover and Magic Grab. So I'm going to show you that first. So here's a picture with this person. She's pointing at something with her thumb. We're going to use background remover. Click Edit Photo, click Background Remover. It's going to remove her background. Now, I've noticed that pictures that I've removed the background on before remove the background a lot faster. And the same goes with Magic Grab. Pictures that I have done this on in the past go faster than what they do the first time. So you might experience the same thing. And by the way, if you click the background remover toggle, you can actually restore part of the image if you would like, which is kind of a cool effect. Magic Grab. All you need to do is click the image, click Edit Photo, and then Magic Grab. And Magic Grab, basically what it does is it removes the foreground of the image, in this case the person, from the background, and then it sort of fills in what's behind her. So if I remove her, you're going to notice a nice clean background. Does this mean that every single time you use Magic Grab, it's perfect? No, but this was a good example of one that worked really well. Why would you want to do that? Well, let me show you. So I've set this image as the background. And do you see she is centered within this picture? It's not sized right. This would not make for a good thumbnail because there's no room for anything else. This is where Magic Grab comes into place. I'm going to edit photo and click Magic Grab. And when I do that, I can move her off the background. I can size her to where she's over here in the corner instead. And that's why I love Magic Grab so much. This is a Canva Pro feature. This feature by itself would be a reason to sign up for it. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you, if you've never tried Canva Pro before, you can have a 30-day free trial. What are the problems? Because you know me, I've got to share some of the issues. Here's an example of one that won't Magic Grab well. There's a really harsh shadow around her. So when I click Magic Grab, the shadow sort of remains and it auto fills in the shadow. But sometimes Magic Grab actually works faster than background remover. So you may find that you want to use them interchangeably just to see if you can use the backgrounds. And then if you can't, get rid of the backgrounds. I know that some people use the photo editor right on the uploads page, just like this. If we just click edit photo like this, which is fantastic, the simple photo editor that you get will not have some of those magic features. It has magic eraser, it has magic edit, but it doesn't have grab text or magic grab. So instead, we're going to just click use in a design and it's going to open it up. Now, this is a picture. I did design this within Canva, but what if I wanted to make some adjustments now? Oh fudge. We're going to edit photo, grab text, and it actually kept the text that I used in the original one, which was Anton. And now I can change this to be something else. You're also not going to find those magic photo elements in a Canva doc. You've got some of them, but not all of them. So if you are in a document type and you notice some of the things are missing, it's just because it's not available. So what you're going to want to do is watch this playlist right here. It's going to have all the magical features that Canva has recently added, including a quicker way to make your videos. See you next time. Bye.